Hi guys, this is Junior. He's featuring in our video today because he's a cutie. Look at him. He's a little chihuahua, not even a year old. Okay, I'm gonna let him go and then tell you what exactly we're here for today. So, a lot of my friends are actually editors, graphic designers, filmmakers, and YouTubers as well. And I'm sure a lot of my viewers are also into digital marketing, design, and all that. So today we decided we're going to do a quick video on PC builds or assembling a desktop for yourself at your home under a specific budget, which will help you edit it. You can also run basic games on it and you can render quicker. Like, we'll give you different options if you want lesser render time, if you want better graphics, whatever it is you need, we're going to give you 2-3 build options. So keep watching and do subscribe to Pickbetter if you haven't already. So I might have mentioned earlier that we have a few interns working with us this summer with Pickbetter. They're helping us edit, they're coming up with new ideas for videos and whatnot. So one of them is actually Harsh, and he knows a lot about assembling a good PC, a gaming PC, an editing PC, a PC good enough for graphic designers, video editors, filmmakers, and whatnot. So today, he's going to be taking over the video and talking to you guys about different things you can use to assemble a good PC.
Hi guys, this is Harsh and I'm interning with Pickbetter. So today we are having a discussion on PC builds, and for the same I had chosen a budget of around 1.2 lakhs. Don't be startled by the budget though. This PC build is aimed at the enthusiasts and also the ones who use their PCs for editing, graphic designing, for architecture, and maybe to even game from time to time. So let's start by talking about the parts which affect the PC's performance by a great extent. So the first part that does so is the processor, for which I have chosen the i5-8600K 6-core processor. It is clocked at 3.6 GHz but can also go to 4.3 GHz with the turbo boost. It is based on an LGA 1151 socket. It has Ultra HD graphics 630 by Intel, which we won't be using anyway since we are including a graphic card for the heavy users. No fan is included with the processor, and for that we are going to include a cooler in this PC build. So to cool this processor, which is based on the Coffee Lake architecture, I went with the Corsair Hydro Series H80i GT Performance Liquid CPU cooler. This cooler is priced at around 9 to 10,000 rupees on sale on Amazon. With this cooler, you are ready to overclock the processor to a higher clock speed for higher performance. For the motherboard, I went with the MSI Z370 Gaming Plus ADX motherboard. This motherboard is available for around 19,000 on sale on Amazon. It is compatible with our processor. It supports up to 4000 plus megahertz of DDR4 memory when overclocked. It is advertised as 6-core optimized by MSI, and it is also Optane memory ready, which is a big thing for the coming future. This motherboard features 4 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, and also it supports 64 GB of DDR4 memory. So the chosen memory for this PC build is the G-Skill 16GB memory, which comes as a pair of two 8GB sticks. This memory is clocked at 2400 MHz but is ready to be overclocked to a higher potential. To move the pixels around on the screen, I have chosen the Galax GTX 1060, available for 30,000 on Amazon. This part was not on sale, but for 30,000 I feel it was a quite good deal. Considering what has been going on in the economy, 30,000 is a very good price for the part. In today's date, a SSD or a solid state drive is needed. It boots up the PC in just seconds. So for this PC build, I went with the Samsung 850 EVO 256GB solid state drive. This SSD would cost you 7 to 8,000 rupees. For the power supply, I have chosen Corsair CX600 modular PSU. This will set you back by around 8,000 rupees. This power supply won't allow you for easier upgrades though. You can opt for a better power supply with a higher wattage if you would want to upgrade in the future, since the 1060 and the i5 are very power hungry. This PSU is a modular PSU. which means that it will come with most of the wiring you will need for this PC build. We always encourage you to use an original copy of Windows 10, which will keep you up to date with the security patches and keep you safe in most of the cases. So this PC build will set you back by around 1.2 lakhs. But the only drawback here is I have not included the case, which is something to be chosen by you guys. The PC case needs to be compatible with the size of the motherboard. In this case, it should be compatible with the ATX size of motherboards. It should have adequate number of fans, which I believe it should have at least 3 in the components we have chosen. After that, the case should be compatible with the size of the graphic card. It should not be too small that the graphic card and the other components do not have enough space to enable airflow inside the PC. For the professionals, I feel that the i5 would be underpowered. So if you guys have the budget, I would suggest you guys go for the i7 8700K, which will set you back by 10,000 rupees more, but would give you more processing power and lesser render times. Now let's get back to Ayushi.
If you're looking to buy any new gadget, a new laptop, desktop or anything else, do message us on Instagram or leave a comment below, or you can even email us. Just let me know, our team will try to help you out with that. And I'll see you next time. Until then, all I'm asking you to do is pick better.